Building a temperature converter is an excellent beginner project. It introduces core programming concepts like functions, conditionals, and loops. This project has real-world applications in weather apps, cooking, and scientific research, making it both educational and practical. Building a temperature converter is an excellent first project for beginners. It introduces core programming concepts like functions, conditionals, and loops. This practical application is crucial in real-world scenarios, from weather apps to scientific research, making it a valuable learning experience. Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin scales measure temperature using distinct reference points. Celsius is widely used globally, with water freezing at 0 degrees Celsius and boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, prevalent in the United States, has water freezing at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boiling at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Kelvin, the scientific standard, starts at absolute zero, with water freezing at 273.15 Kelvin. The visual comparison highlights key reference points where 0 degrees Celsius equals 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 273.15 Kelvin. These alignments are crucial for understanding how different temperature scales relate, facilitating accurate conversions and communication across scientific and everyday contexts. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply by 1.8 and add 32. For Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32 and multiply by 0.556. Converting Celsius to Kelvin involves adding 273.15, while Kelvin to Celsius requires subtracting 273.15. These formulas are essential for accurate temperature conversions across different scales. Python functions encapsulate conversion logic, transforming formulas into reusable code blocks. This enhances modularity, making programs more organized and maintainable. Functions also improve debugging by isolating conversions, allowing independent testing and quick error identification. These benefits streamline the development process, ensuring efficient and reliable temperature conversions. The function Fahrenheit to Celsius efficiently converts Fahrenheit to Celsius, showcasing clean Python code. It includes detailed documentation, handles parameters effectively, and uses the round function to ensure results are displayed with 2 decimal places for clarity. This example highlights the importance of precision and readability in temperature conversion functions.